Dear students, today I am starting exercise 3.7 optional. This is the optional exercise. Question number 1 is the ages of two friends Annie and Biju differ by 3 years. Annie's means the difference between the ages of Annie and Biju is 3 years. Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie, and Annie's father is twice as old as Annie, and Biju is twice as old as his sister, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The name of his sister is Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Annie and Biju. Now obviously we will consider the age of Annie. Let the age of Annie is X years and age of Biju is Y years. The difference between the ages of Annie and Biju is 3 years. If I consider that the age of Annie is greater than the age of Biju, then the equation will become X minus Y is equal to 3 because the difference is 3 years. Age of Annie's father Dharam is twice of the age of Annie. Here it is written that Dharam is twice as old as Annie. Therefore, the age of Dharam, that is Annie's father, will be twice of X. And the age of Biju's sister Kathy is Y by 2 because it is Biju is twice as old as his sister. Then the age of Biju's sister is that is Kathy is Y by 2. Now because according to the question, the difference between the age of Dharam and Biju's sister is 30 years. It is written the ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Therefore, according to question, 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. Now I take 2 as LCM, then it will become 4x minus y is equal to 60. 2 is the LCM. If I take 2 LCM, then the equation becomes 4x minus y equal to 60. This is the equation number 2. And the first equation was x minus y is equal to 3. Now I am solving these two equations by elimination method, subtracting the sign changes of the lower terms, then y cancellizes, and here I get minus 3x is equal to minus 57, minus cancellizes, and x is 57 by 3, that is 19, x is equal to 19 years. Now put the value of x in equation number 1. It was x minus y is equal to 3. Instead of x, we put the value of x, that is 19. 19 minus y is equal to 3. When I bring 19 on the right hand side, it becomes with the negative sign. Then minus y is equal to 3 minus 19. Minus y is equal to minus 19 plus 3 is minus 16. Y is equal to 16. Now it was the case 1. We can consider that Biju's age is greater than Annie's age. In the first case, we had considered that x is greater than y, that is Annie's age is greater than Biju's age. Now we consider that Biju's age is greater than Annie's age because the difference between their ages is given only. It is not given that the age of which person is greater. Therefore, the another case will also lie that y is greater than x. Then in this case, y minus x is equal to 3 because the difference is given 3. Now Annie's father's age is twice of x, and the second equation will remain same as before. It was 4x minus y is equal to 60. And now first equation is y minus x is equal to 3, and the second equation is 4x minus y is equal to 60. I have given the equation y minus x is equal to 3 as equation number 3, and 4x minus y is equal to equation number equal to 60. Equation number 4. Now solving these two equations by adding, I get 3x is equal to 63 and x is equal to 21. Now put the value of x in equation number 3. Equation number 3 was y minus x is equal to 3. Now put the value of x. X is 21. X is 21. X is equal to 21 in 3 minus x plus y is equal to 3. Instead of x we put 21 minus 21 plus y is equal to 3. From here we get y is equal to 3 plus 21, that is equal to 24. Now we have got the values 21 years and 24 years. This is the answer. And in first case the answer was 19 years and 16 years. Now the next question is,